So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1122, that is relative sort array. And this will be given two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and the elements of array 2 are distinct and all the elements of in array 2 are also in array 1, and we have to sort the elements of array 1 since that the relative ordering of the items in array 1 is the same as in array 2, and the elements that do not appear in array 2 should be placed at the end of array 1 in ascending order. Okay, for example, in this we are given input as array of 1 is this something, and we have to sort it on the basis of the in the relative order in which the elements are occurring in the array 2. Okay, so we notice that 2 is occurring first, so all the 2's are sorted at the first place. Then we notice that 1 is occurring, so we are having 1. Then we are having 4, all the 4's are here. Then we are having 3, then all the 3's are sorted together. Then 9, and then 6, and then 7 and 19 are not in array 2, so we have to uh, store them into the array 1 only, but in a ascending order manner. Okay, so for this we'll be required custom operator, custom comparator, sorry, not a custom operator. So firstly, let's calculate the length for both. There is array 1 dot length, and n2 will be equal to uh, array 2 dot length. Okay, and then we'll be having a hash map to for storing the indices, integer comma integer. Let's call it map, that is equal to a new hash map. Okay, and then we'll be having we'll be traversing in the array 2, and we'll be appending it with along with its index I less than n2. Let's do then I plus plus. We'll be doing a map dot put array to I comma I. Okay, so basically, if we'll observe, we just have to sort them on the basis of the indexes along with their values. Okay, and for this, we'll be also required to have an integer array, not an int array, because we cannot compare int array. We have to choose the integer array. So we'll be forming a copy of the integer array one. Let's call it array one int of integer, that will be equal to of new integer of size n1, and then we'll be doing that for int I equal to 0, I less than n1, I plus plus array 1 of integer I will be equal to array 1 of I, and now we can custom sort it. Okay, and firstly we'll be using arrays dot sort only, arrays dot sort, and we'll have to sort the array 1 integer array. And let's say if we are having two elements x and y, we'll be sorting them on the basis of a custom comparator, which is we'll be saying that if map dot contains key x and map dot contains key y, means both the elements which we have to sort are present in the array 2. Okay, and map is basically based out of array 2, so if this is the case, so in this case we have to do is we have to return the basis on the indexes. Okay, so map dot get x minus map dot get y. Okay, so this we have to return. Okay, else we'll be checking that if x is present or y is present. Okay, map dot contains key. If x is present, then we have to return 1 in this case. Basically it means that it will come first, return 1. Okay, oh sorry, in this case we have to return minus 1. Yeah, else if there is only y is there, map dot contains key y, we have to return 1. That means this will be coming afterwards. Sorry, this will be coming first and this will be coming afterwards. And then if else in the standard case we have to return x minus y, which is generally the ordering of the like in the increasing order or in the ascending order, we can say. Okay, and just this was it for the code, and at the end we have to convert our integer array back to array. So for n I equal to 0 int array, sorry, I less than n1, I plus plus, what we'll be doing is we'll be doing array of I will be equal to array 1 of integer I, and at the end we have to return array 1. Okay, yeah, now let's just yeah, give it a run. Okay, array 1, and here it should be I. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.